Hey everyone, I'm Mike Mito and you're watching a tutorial on how to draw female hair. In this video, I'll explain all the basic steps of drawing her hair, and if you'd like to watch the real-time version of this video, just click on the description. So I always start off by drawing the outline, because as the drawing gets darker, the outline tends to disappear. So it's important to draw a clear outline that will guide you throughout the drawing. So after that, we can start the drawing process. I always use my HB or 2B pencil. HB is great to draw the basic outlines, and 2B pencil for the basic layer of shading. You can see me drawing the hair in one direction using the contour shading technique, following the shape of the head. The hair always has some volume, so I always make sure to create some volume above the head. And also the hairline always lies somewhere in the first quarter of the head. I'll also find the middle part and draw the hair in the direction in which it naturally grows. So try to push the pencil a little more in the beginning and gradually release the pressure as you move towards the end of the stroke, which is creating a nice gradual effect of the shading. So the reference photo I'm using was cut towards the top of the head, so I couldn't see the top of the head. This might happen quite often, but no worries. You can always try to find a different picture of her in various versions. I use a soft paintbrush for blending because it does not blend all the strokes away and it can create little illusions of texture. Then I'll take my 5B pencil and shade the darkest areas of hair. I'm not drawing much texture for now, I'm just doing the shading. And if you'd like to find out more about shading the face, just link on my description and you'll find more videos on how to draw the face and shade realistic faces. After the shading process and blending, I add more texture by using my HB pencil. I try not to draw every piece of hair, just to separate some strands. And also please keep in mind that this is not a full tutorial on how to draw realistic hair. I just wanted to show you a quick sketch and give you an idea on how to do it. Then you can take a softer pencil to darken some areas. Shadows are usually in places where the hair strands overlap each other. Now I'll follow the same process on the second half of the head. To make the hair look more natural, it's always great to add some messy hair. I use harder pencils because they help me to create some nice thin lines. And in this case, I'm using a HB pencil. Then I use an eraser to create some more highlights in the drawing. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with your friends. If you feel like I left something out or feel a bit unsatisfied, just let me know in the comment section. Until next time.